Hi, I'm Ms. Hall, and this is Lesson 95, Estimating Parameters. Estimating population parameters. The study of statistics has two major branches, descriptive statistics and inferential statistics. Descriptive statistics involves the organization, summarization, and display of data. So far, you have been using descriptive statistics in your studies of data analysis and statistics. Inferential statistics involves using a sample to draw conclusions about a population. You can use statistics to make more reasonable predictions or inferences about an entire population when the sample is representative of the population. Example 1, estimating a population mean. The number of friends for a random sample of 40 teen users of a social networking website are shown in the table. Estimate the population mean mu. So to find the sample mean, which is x bar, that represents the sample mean, we're going to take the sum of all the x values divided by the number of x values in our sample. So if you go through and add up all these 40 values, you're going to get 11,966 over, there are 40 total numbers, which makes our sample mean 299.15. Therefore, we can say the mean value, not the mean value, sorry, the mean number of friends for all teen users of this website, is about 299. Example 2, estimating population proportions. A student newspaper wants to predict the winner of a city's mayoral election. Two candidates, A and B, are running for office. 8 staff members conduct surveys of randomly selected residents. The residents are asked whether they will vote for candidate A. The results are shown in the table. So we have the sample size, and this is ordered in increasing sample size. We begin by just surveying 5 residents, and 2 of them will vote for candidate A, which means 40% of the votes will be for candidate for A. We could say that 60 will be for B because there's only 2 candidates. So what we're going to answer here is A. Based on the results of the first 2 sample surveys, do you think candidate A will win the election? Explain. So simply looking at the top 2 rows, if we had no other pieces of information, do we think candidate A would win? No. In both of these 2 sample surveys, candidate A would lose. They would get less than 50% of the votes. Now B, based on the results in the table, do you think candidate A will win the election? Explain. When you only look at the first 2 rows where the sample size is very small, it doesn't look like candidate A is going to win. But as you ask more and more people and the sample size increases, you can see that actually the amount of people that are expected to vote for candidate A is above 50%. You can see the numbers are approaching 59% as the sample size gets larger and larger. So what I'm going to write here is, as the sample size increases, the estimated percent of votes approaches 59%. Okay, so therefore, yes, I predict candidate A will win.